Welcome back, guys. So what will you be drinking this summer? Well, our friends from Smith's Rum are here to introduce their newest homegrown rum cream, deeply rooted in family tradition. So here with us is Smith's Rum Cream CEO, Donald Smith, and Market Expansion Coordinator, Shireen Jackson. Hi, guys. Welcome. How are you doing?
Hi, Talia.
I mean, when you're talking about this the bottle looks great. It looks like it's chilled, especially for these hot summer days. Tell me a little bit about the inspiration behind this product.
All right, so the product was inspired by my mom's strong back concoction. I have six siblings, by the way.
Okay.
Right, and we sort of put a twist to it. We made the product lactose free so more people can enjoy it.
Wow.
And we have a variety of flavors for everyone. So here today we have the original, which is, called original because it was the first flavor that was made. We have the butterscotch, and that's called, the butterscotch tends to be the favorite of the ladies, and we have the coffee, which tends to be a favorite of the men.
Okay, all right. You started with the original, right?
Yeah.
This recipe came from Mom?
Yes.
And did you tweak it any at all, or?
Made it lactose free
and
added my favorite flavor.
And just added the favorite flavor. Why these two flavors though? Did you do a trial and error, a test run?
Yes. So initially the coffee is the favorite flavor of my dad, right? And the butterscotch was a test run to see if females would like
and it worked.
Yeah.
Shireen, talk to me now a little bit about, word on the street, how it's been going so far, because it seems that persons have been loving this product a lot.
Yes, persons have been loving it from Montego Bay to St. Anne to Kingston to Negril to Clarendon. And, everybody has good reviews. Everybody has their perfect flavor, or more desired flavor. And, we're getting into different places right now. We're mostly in Clarendon, places like Fesco, Old Harbour, Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut, Taste of the Bone, X Lounge, among others.
Okay, why do you think persons love this product so much? Is it strong? Is it sweet?
They like it because they can find their own flavor and because it's lactose free.
Okay. I know that you recently won an award for Best New Product. Tell me a little bit about that. How does that make you feel? How knowing that, you took Mommy's nice recipe, you kind of tweaked it a little bit, but here you are winning an award for Best New Product.
Elated. It just confirms that the quality of the product is good, so people have something to trust.
Okay. What persons can mix this with? Or you can, or it's recommended that you just have it alone?
I like to have it alone. I've heard of people mixing the coffee with a Malta, for example. The butterscotch, I've heard it being mixed with Campari.
As well. Persons prefer it chilled or just, give me right off the shelf?
It's best chilled. You get a better flavor that way. But right off the shelf works as well.
Okay, all right. I mean, we're not going to have any on camera, guys. We're not going to have any, I promise you, we're not going to have any on camera, right? It's too early for that anyways, right? But would you like to show us, what it really looks like outside of the bottle so that we can see?
Sure.
This one is what, the butterscotch?
Butterscotch.
Yeah. All right, so do we shake it up?
Just give it a little.
Just a little.
Yeah.
It's all ready for you. How many persons can one bottle serve?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can get 3 glasses out of it. The butterscotch is giving us that nice little light creamy yellow look. All right, which other one? It looks nice and rich and nice. What's that?
I'll pour the coffee next.
You're gonna pour the coffee next, because I'm sure the coffee is gonna have a different color.
Yes.
Might just, right? Yes, all right. So we shake it a little bit. Let me see the coffee. The coffee should have that coffee color. Ooh. So tell me now, guys, in terms of creating the product, right, from scratch, I'm not asking you to tell me your secrets or anything, right? But how long does it take to get it to where it is today?
All right, so the product takes 8 hours to make, but we have a maturing time of about 2 weeks.
Okay.
To get the best flavor.
Okay, simply put. And if it is that, I want some, I say specialized bottles of, Smith's rum cream, can I call you guys and say, hey, I need a fountain flowing of Smith's rum cream at my event.
It is possible.
It's possible. Okay, guys, where can we find you, Shireen? Where can we find you guys? How can we get the product?
All right, so you can call 876-213-1894.
Okay, repeat the number for us quickly.
876-213-1894.
Okay, what about online on your social media?
All right, so for Instagram, it's Smiths_rumcream_JA.
Okay, for my persons watching from overseas, is it possible to get any of your bottles overseas?
Not as yet.
Not as yet, but
we're working
towards
on
that.
it.
Okay,
Yes.
for right now, guys, we can just enjoy it right here in Jamaica, right? All right, right across the island, anywhere you are, we can get Smith's rum cream to you. All right, guys. So I know we can't have any taste testing on camera, but you know it's looking lovely. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us this morning. I don't know if there's anything else you'd like to tell us about the rum cream before we go.
I enjoy it for your summer. It's a good drink.
Enjoy it for the summer. It's a good drink, especially when it's chilled. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Smith's Rum Cream CEO and Market Expansion Coordinator. We have Donald Smith, and Shireen Jackson. More to come on Weekend Smile after the break.